Morning, guys. This is actually the second cup of the day. So like I said in my last video, I'm gonna be working on the floors on a budget. So what I did is I went to Home Depot, and they always have those mismatched mixed discount gallons, and I came across a color that I liked. And so what I did is bought that gallon at a discount price. It was like $9 the gallon instead of like 30 something. So I bought that because I knew 1 gallon would be enough for my floor and then some. And then the other thing I did is I was going through Amazon, and the special of the day, I mean, I got lucky, well, saved a few bucks. There was a polyurethane for the floor, extra hardening, super anti-scratch or something, or extra anti-scratch, whatever it is. Anyway, it hardens, and it was clear. So that was like an $8 discount. So I got it for like 31 something. Both of those together comes out for $50. Now you're gonna say, well, it's a thick 1-inch USB floor deck, which is fine. So on a budget, I'm gonna be putting 2 coats of paint, make sure that's sealed properly, and I'm gonna put 3 coats of polyurethane. For sure 2, probably 3. And on my top, third coat, the top coat, where the door is gonna be and my ramp, I'm gonna put some clear grout for polyurethane, which that cost me, it was on sale for $8.80 almost. That came out $10 with the tax, so for 10 bucks, so $60 I'm gonna have these floors done. Yes, vinyl flooring would look nicer and I could get better, but I haven't found the exact vinyl flooring schematics that I want, and I need to get this floor done. When I do find the actual floor I want, once I got the walls built inside and whatnot, I will buy the vinyl flooring that I want. Until then, that's gonna do for $60. My floor is gonna be done. So now I gotta empty out the trailer. I hate moving, so who does, right? But I'm gonna empty out the trailer, my mattress and box spring that I have, onto the back deck and work on the floor. Stick with me, and as always, enjoy the show. So right here, my deck is all done with the non-skid that I had. Yeah, I just put the bed back in there because the floor was dry. So yeah, so let's go see from the inside. So this is all non-skidded, nice and rough. So let's go see in the inside. All right guys, so there's my floor all gray. The back part is non-skidded, the wall, so I don't slip on the deck because I put 3 coats of polyurethane. This one has 2 coats of paint, 2 coats of polyurethane. Right at the door over here, I have some non-skid so I don't slip light out towards the door. So I put a coat like right here, kind of see it where it's non-skidded. So it adds good friction. So I'm gonna put my stuff back in here slowly. And yeah, that's the color of the floor and color of my walls, my ceiling. I really like it in here. I like that it's not too bright. Yeah, my floors are done. All right, guys, so I added my third light right here that finally came in. It was a little bit delayed, but this is going to be my front bathroom light. It's the same as the other two, and I connected it right here. I just sliced the wire, added the negative with the negative and the positive with a positive. Now the light is, the positive on the light is the black wire, so I connected to the red. And my white wire on the light is the negative, which I connected to the black. So let's see if it works. Yeah. And I got my night light. All right. This one. Yeah. And then this one. All right. All right, guys, here's my switch. It's just a little fancy little push in, push out, small switch. It's got a little light that's gonna come on. Now, I don't know the schematics exactly on how to do it. It's got 4 wires, so I'm gonna try a 1 red, 1 black, 1 red, 1 black. We'll see how it goes. I got these little clips just to hold on. Make this connectivity for all 3. All right, I got a little light on, don't know if you can see it. The little light's on. My lights are off right now. I push in. All right, my lights are on. I push in, and the light is off. So my lights are on. Now my lights are off. I got a little light. I want that because when it's dark out, I want to know where that switch is at when I come in. So my lights are on. My lights are off. Now I don't have to go touch my lights at all unless I want to have them turn blue. My lights are on. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like that. So, all right, guys, I found my electrical tape. So what happens when you don't make your bed, and you move things over, it gets lost underneath. All right. Here's my little blue glow. Lights are off. Push on. Lights are on. Now, when I'm gonna have my cabinet right here for my clothes, this is gonna be right on the edge right here, pierced through like this into my wood, to the little wall portion right here. This one will too. But this one is going to be like this one. I'm going to connect it, and that's for my my trailer light when I'm connected to the trailer. Off, on, off, on. Pretty happy with that. All right, guys, keep on watching. All right, now that you saw my floors and everything, my project for the bed is next. I ordered my mechanism for my bed. Hopefully it works. In my mind, it's gonna work. In pictures of what I see, it's gonna work. So I'm looking forward to put that together and show you guys how I'm gonna make this work. Right now it's a mess. So I really thank you guys for joining. And next project is my bed. How I'm gonna place my bed. So stick around, join me on the next video. I appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Like the video. So, and there's no smell in here. It's all low VOC paint. So it's really good. Listen to that. That's my fan working right now. And it's at about 60%. So it's not fast at all. It's not loud for the speed. And I'm really happy. So that's about it for this video. Stick with me. Thank you for watching. And until next time, ciao.